So I asked my wife once what she does when I'm snoring, whether she nudges me so I'll turn to a different position or what, because I know that I occasionally snore. And she said, I blow you kisses. And I said, what? And she said, I go, and you stop snoring. I was like, that can't possibly work. Why would that work? She goes, I don't know, it does. So the next time I was awake and she was snoring, I just went, and she stopped snoring. I use it all the time, and it always works. I have no idea why. Try it with your loved one, and let me know in the comments.